Hi, and welcome back to another weekly What We Ate for Dinner video. So it's Saturday night. Tonight we are having pizza. The boys have been wanting pizza for a few months now. And last night we had leftover taco meat, so I told them we could have pizza tonight. So we've got a Hawaiian for me and Owen. And then my husband likes the combination one, and Keegan will pretty much eat whatever you put in front of him. So that is our dinner for tonight.
I like chicken.
It is Monday night, and for dinner tonight we are just having some leftover barbecue chicken that my husband made last night. To go with it, I made baked potatoes and some green beans.
Because he's awesome.
Yes, he's very awesome. Shh. So that is dinner for tonight. Boy, you're ignoring me, aren't you? Yeah. It is Tuesday night, and for dinner tonight we are having chicken tacos made in the crock pot. In my crock pot I have 4 chicken breasts. I'm using 4 so that we have leftovers for tomorrow. I'm just going to add in 1 ranch packet seasoning. Just going to sprinkle that in here. I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. I have 1 14-ounce can of chicken broth. I'm going to add just a little bit of water so that it covers my chicken. Okay, it's going to cook on high for 6 hours. Our chicken is done cooking, so we are just going to shred it up. Here is our tacos. We have our chicken meat, some cheese, tomatoes, lettuce, olives, and a little bit of sour cream. And that is dinner. And we have plenty left over for tomorrow night. It is Wednesday night, and for dinner tonight we are going to have tostadas with our leftover taco meat that we made last night. I don't have any tostada shells, so I'm going to try to make my own out of some tortillas. Just going to spray my pan with some cooking spray. I have my oven heated to 400. I have these small fajita tortillas. I'm going to lay them on my pan. I'm just going to rub them around the cooking spray. I'm just going to brush a little bit of olive oil on my tortillas. Okay, we're going to put these in the oven for 4 minutes. Okay, my tortillas cooked for 4 minutes, so we are going to flip them over. We're going to put them in the oven for another 4 minutes. Okay, I think that 4 minutes for the other side is a little bit too long. I think maybe just 2 would have been fine.
Toasty?
Yes, that's very much easier.
Toasty.
Thank you for the taste test, son.
You're welcome.
I appreciate that. Okay, change of plans. I turned our tostadas into taco salads because our shells did not come out very well. Definitely don't need 4 minutes on the second side. Maybe 3 minutes and then 2 minutes, but definitely not 8 minutes altogether. So, taco salads it is. It is Thursday night, and for dinner tonight we are having chicken and dumplings in the crock pot. So I have 2 chicken breasts already in my crock pot. Going to add in 2 cans of chicken broth. The recipe calls for 2 cans of cream of chicken, but I only have 1, so that's what we're going to use. I'm going to add in a can of peas, some onion, and a little bit of pepper. We're going to cook this on high for 6 hours. Okay, I'm just going to shred our chicken up. Okay, so instead of putting our biscuits in my chicken, I just made a couple crescent rolls and then just put them on the top. It is Friday night, and for dinner tonight we are having Swedish meatballs. Just dumping all the meatballs in my crock pot. Okay, I'm just going to pour my sauce over my meatballs, and I will link the recipe below to say exactly what's in the sauce, because there's a lot of stuff in the sauce. Okay, we are going to cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours. You want your meatballs warm through and your sauce to thicken up. Okay, so here are our Swedish meatballs all cooked up. The sauce did not make very much sauce. So if I were to make this again, I would probably double the amount in the recipe for the sauce, because there's just like nothing in there. So anyway, there is our bowl with some egg noodles and meatballs.